Right now, AI agents are everywhere. So the tools like OpenClaw are getting a lot of attention. And actually, that makes sense. We are moving from simple chatbots to autonomous AI assistant that can send emails, access files, call APIs, and even perform real-world tasks for us. It's like having 24/7 digital assistant. But there is a problem no one is really talking about: security and control. So, what happens if someone injects a malicious prompt, the bot accesses sensitive data, or performs an action it shouldn't? Traditional security bots weren't built for natural language attacks. That's where the things are getting interesting. While testing different AI tools, I actually find a new application that focuses specially on this problem. It's called Clawdsecbot. I found it while looking for ways to secure AI workflows, and what caught my attention is that isn't just another AI assistant. It's a security layer for AI bots. Instead of replacing your AI agent, it sits in between and acts like a security guard and risk manager. So I decided to test it and see, is it actually useful or just another security buzzword tool. Here is what I found.
CloudSecbot is designed to solve one key problem. How do you keep AI agents under control? It works as an independent security proxy, meaning no change to your bot's core logic, easy integration, and real-time monitoring. And its main goal is to make AI behavior observable, explainable, and controllable, which, if you are running AI agents for automation or business tasks, is extremely important.
The first thing I tested was its real-time monitoring. CloudSecbot is analyzing conversations and instructions to detect prompt injection attempts, malicious guidance, requests outside the bot's intended purpose. If something looks risky, it can block the action, ask for confirmation, and reduce permission. This is huge because most AI tools will just follow only instructions blindly.
Next I looked at was permission management. You can define which tools the bot can use, under what conditions, parameter limits, extra confirmation for sensitive actions. For example, accessing confidential data, running batch operations, external API actions. This gives you fine-grained control, which is especially useful for teams or business environments. One feature I really like is the audit system. You get a dashboard showing risk events, interceptions, alerts, conversation fragments, tool call history. So if something goes wrong, you can actually trace what happened. This level of transparency is something most AI tools completely lack. During my testing, what impressed me most was how lightweight the system feels. It doesn't slow down the workflow or interrupt normal operations. The AI continues working as usual, but now every action is monitored and evaluated in the background. And the balance between security and performance is something many enterprise tools struggle to achieve.
From my testing, CloudSecbot makes the most sense for people already using AI agents like OpenClaw, developers building autonomous workflows, businesses automating operations, anyone concerned about AI safety and control. If you are just casually chatting with AI, you will probably don't need it. But your AI can take actions, security becomes critical. We are entering a new phase where AI isn't just generating text. It's making decisions and executing tasks. And without proper governance, that's a serious problem. What I like about the CloudSecbot is the philosophy behind it. Security bots protecting business bots. And it's a dedicated layer that helps you to adopt automation without losing control. So overall, I think CloudSecbot is an important tool for the future of the AI automation. It's focused and solves the serious problems that a lot of people are ignoring. If you are experimenting AI, I definitely recommend to checking it out. I'll leave the links below the description so you can explore it yourself. And I'm very curious about, do you think AI agents need security tools like this? Or are we just overthinking about it? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in my next videos.